Hello friends, welcome to my channel BSc Agriculture. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's move to the video. In this video we are going to see about fundamentals of biochemistry. I am going to cover unit 1 and the lecture topic is glycoproteins and lectin as well as the structure and significance. So the first we are going to see about what is glycoproteins. So glycoproteins are nothing but a carbohydrate which are used to have a covalent bond of attachment with a protein. So there are three classes of glycoproteins. So they are the first class, which is simply referred as glycoproteins, which is the largest component by weight in the glycoprotein family. As well as the second class is proteoglycans. And the third one is mucins or mucoproteins. We can able to see that one by one in our in the upcoming video. So the first one is the first class, which is a glycoprotein, which is the component of cell membranes, majorly in plants and animal cells. So they are the main reason for the cell adhesion as well as the binding of cell between each one another. And the second one is proteoglycans. So proteoglycans are the protein which is used for the conjugation of a particular type of polysaccharide in the living organisms. So and the third one, mucins or mucoproteins. So N-acetyl galactose, which is a carbohydrate mostly bound to the protein in mucins, which is the responsible for the protein bonding in mucins. So mucins are nothing but which is a key component of our mucus, which is known as a salivary, which acts as a lubricant. So it was the point you must need to remember. Carbohydrate can be linked to protein through asparagine, N-linked, or through serine as well as threonine, which is O-linked residues. So you must need to remember for 0.5 because asparagine is N-linked bond as well as threonine is O-linked oxygen-linked bond residues. And the other one is lectins. So lectins are specific carbohydrate binding proteins. Okay. So while seeing the lectins are which are recognized as a carbohydrate structures in the recognition of glycan binding protein is known as lectins. They are used to bind the specific carbohydrate structure on neighboring cell surfaces in our living organism or plants and animals. So the lectins are used to promote more and more interaction between cells. The first and main functions of lectin is to facilitate the cell to cell contact in our living organisms. So lectin and carbohydrates are linked by number of weak monocovalent interactions, and the lectins are organized into different classes. They are classified as based on their amino acid sequence as well as the biochemical properties. They are used to have a domain of more than 120 amino acids which are responsible for carbohydrate binding with protein as well as carbohydrate binding with carbohydrates as well as cell to cell interactions. So I have deeply given the lecture notes in the description. You can catch it for your exams. In this video I have only given the important points you must need to remember for the exam. So if you have any doubt or queries, you must able to comment in the section. I can able to clear it out. So if you like the video, like it and share it with your friends, and subscribe to BSc Agriculture and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you. I will catch you up in next videos.